if you would ask me personally, I would say she's really selective, no? And that does not speak does not speak highly of an official, especially the one that is occupying the second highest position in the country.
Personally, how you feel na?
Well, I personally, to be honest with you, no, I am personally feel insulted. Dahil dalawa naman talaga ang branch ng ating legislatura at napaka no, it's just so saddening for an official, especially coming from the office of the Vice President, to intimate to us that she is comfortable only to this one branch of the legislature. So parang ang naging approach is parang selective ang kanyang pag-appreciate ng obligasyon ng legislatura ayon sa binigay ng saligang batas.
Sir, masasabi